Ever wondered how AI tools can make your life easier? Picture this. Your life is a constant juggle of tasks, deadlines, and challenges. Now imagine a world where technology lends a helping hand, not just assisting, but learning, adapting, and even predicting your needs. That's the magic of artificial intelligence, or AI. In the past few years, AI tools have risen from the realm of science fiction to become an integral part of our daily lives. Whether it's Siri suggesting a faster route home, Spotify recommending your next favorite song, or even your refrigerator alerting you when you're out of milk, AI is everywhere. These tools are not just limited to personal use. Businesses, healthcare, education, you name it, AI is revolutionizing the way we work, learn, and live. It's learning from our behaviors, predicting our needs, and even making decisions for us. Indeed, AI tools have become a game changer in various sectors. Welcome to the AI revolution. From your smartphone to your car, AI tools are everywhere. Let's take a moment to appreciate the diversity and convenience these tools bring to our lives. Virtual assistants, such as Siri and Alexa, are essentially AI tools designed to make our lives easier. They listen to our commands, answer our queries, and even control our smart homes. They work by interpreting our speech, understanding the context, and providing appropriate responses. Recommendation engines like those used by Netflix and Amazon are another breed of AI tools. They analyze our behavior, learn our preferences, and suggest products or movies that we might like. Social media algorithms implemented by Facebook and Instagram are AI tools that curate our feeds based on our interactions, thereby creating a personalized experience. Then we have autonomous vehicles, the epitome of AI technology, that use complex algorithms to navigate, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions. The capabilities of these AI tools are truly fascinating, aren't they? Let's dive into the best AI tool from each category. In the realm of voice assistants, Amazon's Alexa reigns supreme with its intuitive and versatile capabilities. Meanwhile, in image recognition, Google's Vision AI stands out, offering unparalleled accuracy and ease of use. For natural language processing, OpenAI's GPT-3 takes the crown, delivering uncannily human-like text generation. Turning to machine learning platforms, TensorFlow secures the top spot with its robust, flexible, and developer-friendly environment. In the world of AI-powered analytics, the clear leader is IBM's Watson, providing insightful and actionable data interpretation. These tools are not just the best in their respective categories, but they also offer a superior user experience. They are user-friendly, efficient, and most importantly, they deliver results that are accurate and reliable. They stand out from their competitors because they consistently push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. As we've seen, AI tools have the power to transform our lives in extraordinary ways. To wrap up, AI tools offer a wide range of benefits. They facilitate tasks from predictive analytics to customer service, revolutionizing industries across the board. We've delved into the diverse landscape of these tools, highlighting the best in each category. Whether it's natural language processing, machine learning, or robotics, AI is at the forefront of the digital age, continually evolving and reshaping our world. Remember, the future of AI is here, and it's making our lives easier in ways we could never have imagined.